Hello students, welcome to this session. In this session I'm going to explain how to install a software called as Cygwin. As you know, Unix is a separate operating system which cannot be executed on your Windows. So we need to have a separate terminal or software called as Cygwin, which will be used for executing all your Windows based on your which will be installed on your Windows based software on which you can execute your Linux. I'll go to Google. Here I'll be typing Cygwin, Cygwin Cygwin, terminal for Windows 7. It depends on your requirement. You can search for Windows 7 or Windows 10. There you can go for second option, Cygwin installation. Once I click on Cygwin installation, I'll get a window like this where I'll have installation and updating Cygwin packages. You have both 64-bit and 32-bit. Select the first option for 64-bit and second option for 32-bit systems. Okay, I'll click on the 64-bit system. It is about 1 MB. Now it got downloaded. I'm going to open the folder. As you can see, I have the software here which has downloaded. Now I'm going to copy this software. You can see I have the C drive. Under that you have users, and under that you have username. Now here we are going to create a new folder, and I'm going to name the folder as Cygwin installer, Cygwin Cygwin installer. You can give any name, and I'm going to paste that installation file. Now we'll double click on this. I can see the installation has started. Cygwin net release setup program, and the setup version is 2.908, which is 64-bit. If you're using 32-bit, just download 32-bit. And the second step, you just select install from the internet. So install from the internet, it has to be selected, and make sure that your system is connected to internet. Click on next, and this is a root directory. I'm not going to change anything there. And next you have installation for select all users, so that all the users of your system can access the Cygwin software. Click on next, and again local package directory, this the folder that we have created, the same path you can see here. If you I'm not going to change anything here, the same path what we have. And next we are going to click next, and this is about internet connection. I'm not going to change anything here, it will be default. So that is system proxy settings. Click on next, and it is downloading some packages. It takes some seconds. So now I need to select from which location I need to download the software. If you scroll down, you will see many websites from where you can download Cygwin. If you know any website names that you can select, you can select it. If you have no idea about it, uh, you can select any website. I'll just go with the website by name Cygwin. You can scroll up so that you can see that at the top. I'll select Cygwin mirror, click on next, and after that it will be getting downloaded. It will take around a few minutes. I'm going to pause here. Oh, sorry, we have a packages selection. Select packages. I'm not going to select anything by default. Whatever packages is there, I'm going to install everything. So I'm going to click on next, and now we are going to start downloading these set of packages, what you can see here. I'll click on next. It'll get downloaded. It'll take some minutes. I'll pause here, and once it is completed, I'll resume the video. Now see, my installation has completed. Once it has completed, I can see we have to select the icon. I'll create the icon only on the desktop. If you want, you can add it on to the start menu also. I'll be adding only on the desktop, so I'll uncheck that and I'll click on finish. So once I do that, the software must be installed in my system. I'll be minimizing these files, and you can see we have Cygwin 64, which is here. Where here is the terminal where we can use this for our Unix programming execution. So for any kind of operating system, based on your operating system, you just select the particular software that you need and install that software onto your system, so that we can execute all the kind of Unix based commands as well as programs can be done on this Cygwin software instead of using Linux or other operating systems. I'll stop here this session. We'll continue the next session. Thank you.